Welcome back to the channel, Fat Boys. So, I don't know about you, but I feel like for me, this seasonal depression is really starting to hit this year. I don't know what it is. I think it might be because I've decided to move up a little bit and the seasons have been changing, so I haven't been able to really ride as much as I normally do. So down in Florida, I really used to be able to ride every single day, and I really did ride every single day, rain or shine. And I don't mind riding in the rain, but what I really don't want to do is I don't want to ride in the rain while it's also cold out, because cold and wet is just not a fun combination. Because I haven't been riding as much, I really decided to just kind of leave work just a little bit early, go take some time for my own mental health, make sure I'm putting myself in a little bit better of a mental place. So I left work a little bit early while there's still sunlight out, and while there's actually one solid warm day out. And it's not even that warm, it's like 42 degrees right now. But it's the warmest it's been in a really long time. So I'm really doing this just to help me. And I feel like that's really important to talk about. I guess another reason I've really been starting to feel a little bit more drained than normal is the fact that I have been working on some like really big projects for the channel lately, and I feel like it's starting to have been catching up with me just a little bit. And so because it has been catching up with me just a little bit, and I haven't been able to ride as much, I'm not having that stress relief that I really normally have. I normally go out and I just record my rides. I have something I want to talk about, but I don't know, man. I haven't had this like one-on-one conversation that we normally have. So it's just been different for me. I've been loving the things that I'm working on. They're really big things, but it's not quite the same. It's not quite the I'm out riding and having a good time. So that's really what I want to do with this video. I just want to talk about how it's important to take time for yourself and to make sure you're doing okay, because if you're not okay, then no one else around you is going to truly be okay. I left work just a little bit early to go riding for the first time, truly riding for the first time in a while. And the reason why I haven't been riding in a while is because it's been honestly cold and snowy, and there's been a lot of salt on the ground. And so I'm just picking a road, nice pretty road, nice backcountry road. Just found it, decided to see where it takes me. Lots of sheep.
Ram you, to your breed, your fleece, your clan be true, sheep be true, ram you.
What did you say?
I'm going out riding for me right now. And sometimes you got to do what's best for you. And so another thing that's really contributing to me about the seasonal depression is how long the sun is up, how cold it's been, and me not riding as much and being able to truly let out any frustration I may have. It really does come down to the fact that the sun, I'm pretty much going into work when it's dark and I'm coming home when it's dark. So I'm not really able to go out riding. And then it's been either raining or snowing during the weekends. So I'm even more not a chance to really go riding. So, man, I haven't really been riding, and it's putting a little bit of a toll on me. I haven't had that release. In another way, it's actually putting even a little bit more stress on me, because I want to make sure I'm still putting out videos for you guys, but I don't necessarily have the content that I normally would be able to make for you guys. So I'm reaching, I'm finding other things that might be useful to you. I'm trying to find different ways to make different content. Like, I just did an interview with my parents, and I asked them a whole bunch of questions about what me riding does to them and how they feel about it. So just interesting topics to me that I feel like would be really beneficial for a lot of people out there as well, but it's still not quite the same release. I'm having a lot of fun making them, but it's still stressful in the sense that it feels like work. So, in other words, guys, just really make sure you do take care of yourself. I am finding that out. It's really important to make sure you find some you time, because if you're not taking, you need to go take care of you. That is one of the most important things. You need to make sure you are mentally safe and mentally all there. Find a way to relieve your stress. Find a way to let you open up and be yourself. Because if you don't have a way to release if you don't have a way to expel all of the day-to-day struggles off of your shoulders, it's gonna wear down on you. And I feel like I'm really starting to get that, because I'm not really even going into work with a super peppy smile. I'm kind of slugging in and dreading it right now. Normally I'm kind of happy to go in, kind of excited to get some stuff done, but I don't know, lately I've been kind of struggling with it. This is a fun little road, so this is a nice little way to let off all this steam. Oh, I'm so glad I'm doing this. And look at that, it opens up. Oh boy, that's pretty. So this really is just a quick little video for you guys. I want to talk about how important it is to take care of yourself. Really, make sure you're able to go release all of the daily stresses. If you can, get out there and ride. I know some people live out in the middle of nowhere right now, or really up north, where they're just getting crap tons of snow. Hell, man, even this weekend I'm supposed to get, I think, about a foot of snow. So it's just, I'm trying to get out riding while I can. I don't care about the cold. I will go riding in the cold. But it's the truly unsafe conditions that I don't want to go riding through. I don't want to go riding while there's a crap ton of snow and a crap ton of ice on the ground. If it's pretty much in the clear, where I know I'm not going to be too stupid or be in too bad of a predicament, I feel like I'll go out riding. I really want to say thank you to you guys also, just because you guys have been giving me something to do. Oh my god, I feel like I would be dying right now if I wasn't able to go out riding. And I feel like right now I'd be dying if I wasn't able to make stuff for you guys. I would be so out of my mind bored. So you guys really are helping me to do stuff and stay and break my comfort zone. I wouldn't have been riding a lot of times, but it's just, you guys are helping me in ways that you don't even know. So thank you to you guys. So make sure you guys go and take care of yourself as well. I know a lot of you guys are in really cold, hard places to live right now. Make sure you are taking care of yourself this winter season. And if you do need help, there's always ways you can reach out. There's always people you can talk to. I'm one of them. Man, people are here for you. Mental health is no joke. Take care of yourself, guys. And with that, make sure you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. If you're not already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.